any of it.
This is the best work you can have. Honestly speaking, you can literally see Wall Street, like that is literally the Wall Street building. Welcome back to a Tuesday. Today it's all about team meetings, and later on we are heading out to a data science event at Ramp. And the weather and the snow is cold, so the whole week would be almost freezing, below freezing temperature. But thank God we went to Miami last week, otherwise we would have lost it. But you know, really helps, honestly. Like, a day of sun really makes a difference. It's making me think of more trips in maybe February, like next month, so we might do more trips. But yeah, today in the afternoon we have more calls with the team, and now like it's all focused on go-to-market. Now our automation already sent out a lot of emails this morning. I think we already hit 20 emails today, which is amazing. So it's already being productive. You know, it's all about systems, making sure those systems are in place. Other than that, we'll be interviewing more go-to-market partners. I think that's the name we're going to have it at this point, and we're going to have like a whole go-to-market team focused on, you know, selling, getting more people and helping more companies involved, and that is literally the plan. Done with the afternoon calls. I had a late lunch. Now I'm heading out to my last calls for the day, and then there's an event happening around 23rd for this AI data ramp event happening. So we head out there around 6 p.m. Till then we have 2 more calls and a few more things we have to do. We have our team prepared the material for the team we're onboarding tomorrow. Today, another similar company like us called Multiverse, based in the UK, they actually acquired another company in Germany. It is very slidey out here. This is what the ice looks like. Yes, and it's very cold. But yeah, so we'll do more research on Multiverse because they've been around for the past 9 years, and I'm sure there's a lot of things you can learn from them based on, you know, like who their clients are, what are learnings we can do. So we'll do a deep dive research on Multiverse this afternoon. So excited for all of these, and honestly it's just a cold, but internally, inside I'm excited. Outside I might not look like it because it is cold and hard to walk. Look where I'm walking, honestly. But yeah, excited for it. Amazing, just got done with my afternoon meetings, and Naomi, you know, she recommended this company. Now we are having another potential client call tomorrow, so we have 2 client calls booked for tomorrow. And tomorrow Stripe is hosting an event in the morning. It's like an all-day event at the Stripe office, and they're like invited startups. They're like, come co-work here, you know. They're like, we'll have lunch, we'll have snacks. They're basically trying to get everyone to the Stripe office, so we might go there tomorrow. But now let me head out to this Ramp event, this data event. I'm literally by Washington Square Park. I'm not Madison Square Park. So yeah, that's just a few minutes away. I am not excited for the cold, but there's no other option. So let's hit it.
Hop down to them like as quickly as possible to try to make a sale.
We made it to the Ramp office. It's a lot of people here. And they do have like full-on catering at this, but this office is very cool. Like Ramp's office is really amazing. So yeah, let's go network, meet people. Let's see how the data thing plays out. It's actually sponsored by Clay too, so this is actually good.
Like a simple equals comparison, very fast in ClickHouse, something like a container.
Event at Ramp, it was good. It was also Clay in there. I've been using Clay this week. It's great seeing how they've been integrating, you know, this databases into Clay. Met amazing founders there. Met someone who was waiting for their Series A really cool database transfer company. Cool founders that I met. That was amazing. Well, we are ending the night early, and we are walking in this cold, icy New York night. And tomorrow is going to be a packed day with, you know, Stripe event happening, and there's another event happening tomorrow too. And we have 2 sales calls happening at the same time. So it's an exciting week.
Or any of it.
Welcome to another day. Today we're starting our day at Stripe. We're at Wall Street, and then later on we have another event. We have 2 client meetings today, and we're excited for them. One is a blockchain company, it's a blockchain exchange company, and the other is works with financial companies in general. And 2 client meetings, afternoon team meeting, and then there's an event. So we're currently around the Stripe office, and yeah, let us head in and let's get this day started. Okay, so we're at Stripe, and then today we took our morning calls here and also the afternoon calls. So I'm taking most of my calls here in the office. We created a lot of great content, but the views on Wall Street are amazing. Like, they have the best office. So let's continue. Okay, hoping on the calls, look at this view. This is the best work you can have. Honestly speaking, you can literally see Wall Street. Like, that is literally the Wall Street building. It looks very different from the top. There's the Statue of Liberty over there. You can even see New Jersey across over there and the whole of like Wall Street. So this is like one of the best views you can have. Now let's hop on the call, and it's time. A good coworking session at Stripe. Now I'm heading to my last call for the day, and this is the blockchain company with social impact. So super excited about this call. They're doing things differently. They're using blockchain, social impact, and helping people with, and also education combined. So we're going to help them on the education side of things. And yeah, let's head out to that meeting. After that, tonight there's the event in Soho, so we'll head out to that event after we grab lunch. Yes, after we grab a very late lunch. But yeah, it was a great coworking session, great calls. Let's go do it. I love it. Okay, so we had to reschedule our call today to next week. I just had a call with Naomi, our head of AI and content. Now I'm heading out. Now I'm grabbing lunch and then heading out to the event in Soho. Yeah, looking forward to the event. Let's go head out. The weather kind of warmed up a bit. It's not as cold as the morning, so it's also nice. Soho, I'm arriving at this spot. It's a new office opening. I think they also got listed. I think it says an opening bell. So it's either just a new office only, or they might have just got listed in general on the market, but who knows. Let's go visit their new office. So it's a celebration. I'm not sure what the company does. It's a tech company, AI. Of course, every tech company has AI in it. So let's see. Wrapped up the event. It's a blockchain VC office in general. So they invest into blockchain, decentralized based companies. It was a nice office, a lot of people in general. So that was a good event, but I had to wrap it up early. It was more like a party vibe, and honestly, I am kind of done for the day. Tomorrow's another big day. We have a lot of other meetings, so we're wrapping up tonight.